Okay, hi friends. In the previous video I showed you how to use TradingView to run two windows simultaneously. One on the left hand side, which is 6 charts, and then a window on the right hand side, which is 3 charts. And by synchronizing these two together and by having them running side by side, we can essentially get a bit of a workaround to get a 9-chart layout. In this video I just wanted to show you how to do an extension of this technique to be able to get a 12-chart layout running. Some of you might find it useful. So just going to create a copy. So I've currently got the 1.1 9-chart A demo running. Just going to click next to the name of this layout. I'm going to go make a copy. We're going to call this 1.2, just using our naming convention. We're going to call this the 12-chart part A, and it's a demo because I've already done this before, so save. And if you're not sure how to do this to create a 9-chart layout, just go back and check out my video. It's video 3 on how to create a 9-chart layout. And then on the right hand instance of TradingView, do the same thing again. So we're just going to load a layout right down the bottom. 1.2 12-chart part A, we're going to load this. Now we're just going to rename this. Just going to rename this part B and save. Okay, once we've saved that, we're now going to change the layout. So we're going to make this an 8-chart layout. 2 columns by 4 rows. And then on the right hand instance of TradingView, we're going to open a layout. We're going to open a 1 column by 4 row layout. Now I make sure that I minimize all of my tool panels on the right hand side. So get rid of your orders, get rid of your watch list, open the watch list on the right, and then once again we'll color code. We'll unite these, we'll marry these two up by having the correct color. So straight away you can see I've got 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and I've got 4 rows, 3 by 4. It's a 12-chart layout. So I'm just going to link, I'm going to unite, I'm going to marry up these two windows, the left hand window and the right hand window. To do that, I'm just going to right click on the tab at the top of the screen. I'm going to make this purple, and then the right hand window, I'm going to make this purple as well. Okay, and what happens when we do that, these are linked. So when I click on the YM symbol, you can see that the window on the left and the window on the right, they're both YM. Now I'll click on ES, NQ, just continues to refresh. So I can use this one watch list on the right hand side of the screen. I can use this one watch list to control both windows, both instances of TradingView running. Now we've just got to go through now and get our time frames correct. So far bottom right, we're going to start with our highest time frame, which is 12 months. Then we're going to now go across to the left hand window. This is going to be 3 months. Left of that's going to be 1 month. Back onto the right hand window. So we've got to change it up here. So we've got the monthly. Now this is weekly. Then this one's daily. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 seconds, 5 seconds, and just remember to press save. Okay, so now what we've got is we've got a 12-chart layout. Bottom right, we've got 12 months. All the way through to the top left, we've got 5 seconds. And if we go through our instruments, you can just see how everything's synchronized. It's really important that we've got these two options selected: synchronize in layout, a symbol in our crosshair, and we've got that for both windows. And I've just got the line back, anchored line back, having the 30 bar. So I'm just going to refresh all of this just to get it to look standardized. In previous videos I've gone through all these settings on how to set everything up and which indicators I use. So that's just a real quick little video on how to get a 12-chart layout running for trading futures. And as we go through our different instruments, we're going through the gold contracts, silver, you can see that we've got all the way from 5 seconds all the way through up to 12 minutes. So again, very quickly we can scan for our EMA trends or our super trends across all those multiple time frames for each contract. It's really, really handy.